Tomorrow, inshallah, si Deus quiser, God willing, I'm sailing off to Boa Vista to meet my friend Daniel. And from Boa Vista, we're going to sail back here to Mindelo with a stopover in San Nicolau so we can cruise around the islands a little bit. Tomorrow around 5 o'clock in the morning, I'm going to head out to sea and up the canal, make a right-hand turn, go straight to Boa Vista. I leave very early in the morning here because that's when the weather is most calm and the canal is most calm. I've had too many experiences. I'm a seasoned sailor here in Cape Verde, and let me tell you, I know what the canal is like, and going up the canal sucks.
Actually, going up the canal didn't suck dick this time because I left at the crack of dawn.
So here we are, going off to Boa Vista to meet my friend Daniel. Left very early this morning, 5 o'clock. Got out of the canal. It's now about 7 o'clock and heading due west. Wind's pretty good here, about 17, 20 knots. Got 2 reefs. Mainsail in Genoa. Fairly close reach. It's basically a straight line, except when I get past the island of San Nicolau, which will be probably tonight. I'll be able to veer a little bit more south, have a little bit better angle in the wind, but now it's like nice. Some boats coming in, foreigners coming in to crowd up our little Cape Verde. There's a bunch of them coming for the Arc Rally, the Atlantic Crossing Rally group. There's like 100 boats coming into the marina, all these foreigners. I'm glad not to be there. All due respect to yachties, but you guys fucking bug me sometimes. I like locals better. Sorry.
Yes, I was going off the beaten path. All these sailors were coming into Mindelo for a few days to prepare to cross over on a very popular heading across the Atlantic. Not for me, man. Too many boats on the sea.
Well, we set everything up pretty darn well. Put up full sails, and I had a tack. I was heading into a little bit of a headwind and was heading right into San Nicolau Island over there. Had a tack, so I'm just gonna stay heading north a little bit more. But boat's doing great, everything's awesome. I can't believe it, I got full sails up. 13 knots of wind, 15 knots. We're just cruising. Just wish I could be heading west rather than north, but the wind's pushing me a little bit into the island of San Nicolau. So, like I said, we're gonna continue north a little longer and then tack back in about 20 minutes or so. Man, check this out. It's beautiful. Just tacked, but before that I had a quick clean up, quick shave, a quick bath. Feel good. Now we're heading back west and I turned on the wind vane.
Yes, this is for my friend Sailor Simon, who enthusiastically suggests I get a wind vane. Well, when Galopin is well balanced and conditions are right, the boat steers itself. So, no need for a wind vane. Plus, it would mess up my stern setup. I couldn't use the dinghy davit or the bathing platform to get on and off the boat easily. It's steering just right between 60 and 50 degrees to the wind, and the heading is perfect to sail around São Nicolau Island. At night, the wind dropped and I had to mow the sail for a few hours. The moon was out. It's quite special sailing under a full moon.
Hey, good morning, everybody. Morning to me. Hello, Galopin. How are you? Hello, Ocean. And hello, Boa Vista. I can see it. Pretty windy now. A little rough. But I took a couple reefs. No, I just took one reef this morning when I first woke up, because it was about 17, 18 knots, and we were heeling quite a bit, so I was like, yeah. So now we're doing pretty good, both a little flatter and still maintaining good speed. I'm gonna get there exactly at the time that Daniel gets here, so he may have to wait for me a couple minutes at the cafe there on the pontoon. Anyways, these voyages around these islands, man, are always exhausting, man. They're just hard. It's never, or rarely easy. It's really always kind of hard. Last night was a bit hard. Yesterday was a bit hard getting around São Nicolau Island as usual. Anyways, I'm not complaining. I'd rather be here than in my armchair watching me. Well, we've got 5 miles to go, man. It's been really pretty windy these last few hours, about 20 to 25 knots. But now I'm getting into the little bit calmer wave situation, and like I said, we're almost there. I'm glad. Beautiful day, though. Look forward to being at anchor on land. As much as I love to sail, I can't stand it. It hurts. My legs, my arms, everything is aching after this. Okay. Anyways, almost there. Check out the view. Let me show you a few scenes. It's pretty nice. Okay, we're arriving into the bay. Turn on the motor, pull up to Genoa. Now it's gonna be a little tricky because it's pretty friggin' windy, really windy, and there's a hidden rocks there, man. But they're not hidden when these swell is going over it. Check it out, man. It's crazy. Almost there. Almost there.
The waves breaking over the rocks in the distance were impressive. Good thing the charts are accurate for newcomers. Now I just hope I got here on time to meet my friend Daniel.
Check that out. Ooh, that's flown. You don't want to be near that shit. Holy cow.
Hello, welcome to Galopin. These are our studios, man. This is where the magic happens. It's humble, but it gets the job done. It's because of the great people like you on Patreon who make this happen. This Living Adventure series. I hope you'll join our community. We've got some extra perks like live updates, news, photos, videos, and I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories which are not for general audiences on YouTube. And our friend Graham from Australia set up a WhatsApp chat to aptly called Galopin's Cockpit. Guys from all over have joined, and it's this community that's contributing to the continuation of this Living Adventure series. If not, you can always watch us for free on YouTube. Make sure to give us a like or a dislike, make a comment, make your opinion heard. I'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching this episode of Winded Voyage, a real Living Adventure series. It's not fake, baby.